I don't know if you can see this, but there's a lot of wind picking up and all the leaves on the ground were flying in the air. It was like a fog of leaves. Those leaves were all up in the air. Not so much anymore. Hey, there's a cat way back over there. And that's a really cool decoration, and the trees down my street are so pretty. Oh, I love the fall. Look at all this. Look at all this. I like my neighborhood. Also, if you're wondering why I am excited to get a police check, it's because I work in the vulnerable sector and I volunteer with a church program in the mornings. So they have all their volunteers get police checks, and yep, so that's it. And there's my dog. Okay, bye.